Guys, what's happening? Got something new on the island for you today. This time it's going to be a Nerf War. We're going to have an epic battle today. I want you to check out our loadout. Take a look. Oh yeah. It's going to be husband versus wives, kids versus adults, boys versus girls. Whatever we can do, we're going to do. This is all mostly my stuff, so I hope you guys stay tuned and check it out. Subscribe below. Keep tuned in. I'm on my way to meet my wife. We're going to get together with some kids and have a small Nerf War. What are we playing?
Nerf Gazelle.
Alright. What are we playing, Colin?
Nerf Gun.
Nerf Gun game?
Yeah. I'm playing Nerf Gun game.
Nerf Gun game?
Don't even think about it. You know what?
Everybody group up.
You ready? Say that again. Does it have what?
Slow-mo.
Why do you need slow-mo?
Because I want to take you down.
You gonna take me down? Well, I'm gonna shoot so fast you won't even be able to see it, so don't worry about slow-mo.
You better run.
No.
Y'all dead.
Yeah.
You're dead already. Y'all
Hey, Jody, come with me if you want to live.
Do I need more?
No, you got a full clip, man.
No,
You're
I
good.
got 30. I got 30 at all. You just told
Yeah,
me.
you're good, buddy. You're good.
There you go.
Casey, your gun. Yeah, I'll watch this side over here, okay? Oh, that's a good hiding spot. Ah. Bring it on!
Daddy! No! Ah, you're dead!
Hey! Hey! You might be pretty, but that don't mean I ain't gonna shoot you.
I Curry running through here and I got her right inside the head. Come on.
I'm gonna shoot up here like those big boys did.
Like the big boys did.
Yeah. You clock it.
Here. Hey.
Hey, boys! Stand still! Daddy!
What?
Oh!
You hit my gun, man.
Exactly what my man
I'm gonna climb up there. And,
I'll stay right here, okay?
Okay.
Okay. You gonna talk to me?
Yeah.
Tell me if they come that way, okay? You look that way and I'll look this way.
Okay.
Lorelai, you look that way toward Jody.
Okay.
Tell me if they come.
Okay.
Alright, I'll look this way. Shoot, shoot, shoot.
Hey, Mama! Oh, that's the log there!
Oh! What was that? You cheat. What?
Carry tape.
Get up front, we don't cheat.
Play for Austin. Carry tape.
Mother load, son.
You like those megas, huh?
I shot from my truck right there and it hit that window.
Yeah, check out. It did?
Yeah, it went.
Yeah. Those are 100-foot darts.
I see something.
All right, right there. They're going this way. Come on, come on. This way, this way, this way. Get up against the building. Get up against the building. They'll see us. They'll see us. You go. Go.
I'm gonna shoot you.
I thought he was dead.
Alright guys, I'm using this long shot. These girls are trying to whip us. They're camping on us, stealing our darts. But we're gonna get them this time.
They still triple team me. Bye, bye, bye.
Watch out. I got you! I got you! My team's good! Got you! In the head! Got you again! Hey!
You're getting it down.
I walk around and pick up darts. This sucks, right? Did you have fun? Did you have fun? Huh? Why?
Oh yeah, I did kick your foot.
No, you didn't. You shouldn't. You shouldn't. You like shooting zombies?
Dummy.
Zombies. Say pow pow.
Dummy.
Zombies. Give 'em fives.
Bubble.
Give fives. All right.
Bubble.
Pow pows.
What you got?
Dummy.
What's this?
Zombies?
Bubble.
Huh?
Bubble.
What is this?
Dummy.
Zombies? And what you got?
Bubble.
A